Hi, how are you? So, I came across a TikTok of a creator upcycling a t-shirt with the guidance of Generation T book. I'd never heard of the book before. I was intrigued, so I looked it up. Not only did I find a copy of it on the Internet Archive, I found copies of several books all around the subject of t-shirt transformations. So naturally, I went through a number of them and compiled a list of pieces that I would like to try out. Yeah, let's get into it. We're going to be making use of these two shirts. T-shirt number 1. It says I love you forever on it. There's a little rubber ducky, some dumbbells for some reason, and football boots. What is that, nail polish? Nail polish. And then in this corner it says, I looked it up and it is the title of a French comedic skit TV show centered around marital life. The second t-shirt is this stripe number. So the first upcycle is going to come from the book that started it all. Generation T, 108 Ways to Transform a T-shirt by Megan Nicole. Nicole? It is the first upcycle in the book, titled Scoop. We're going to be transforming a regular t-shirt into a fun off-shoulder moment. Megan's tutorial essentially ends here, but I'm going to keep moving.
Part 2, Creating a Band.
I'm going to measure the length of the neckline. For the width of the band, I want it to be about 3 inches, and then it's going to fold over, so 6 inches in width. Once you sew it closed, fold it in half with the right side facing outwards, so all these seams are hidden inside, and then pin it onto the neck. Now we're gonna sew that in place. I've been sewing all my seams with a zigzag stitch because it is t-shirt fabric, it is knit fabric, it is stretch fabric, and the straight stitch isn't gonna cut it.
Decided to continue experimenting with some button-up shirts.
So this right here is a knit tube. Okay, thrifted it. Today it's gonna be the top half of this upcycle. If you can see those, it has stripes on it. This is the bottom half of a t-shirt. I was gonna use it for something else, that didn't work out. So now we have this. It's gonna form the top half of this piece. Since these tops have little to no stretch, I'm gonna cut them off at the shoulder. Like just completely cut it off all the way around. So I've gotten this. So I decided to give each t-shirt upcycle its own video. So if you want to see what we upcycle next, you're gonna have to subscribe and turn on the post notifications. Until next time.
Bye, have a great time.